Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 45. We are on Unit 4. So we are ready to write a magazine article. So activity 4, write a magazine article about David Taylor. Give your article a heading. So this is, you will need to use information on page 44. So, and you may refer to pupils book, page 54. So as you can see here, so this is a very typical magazine article. So you will need to maybe write some direct speeches. So as you can see, the inverted commas or the quotation mark. So you need to write some. So you will need to also use the information. Just now I mentioned, you will need to use a lot of information from page 44 to help you write a typical magazine article. So this is a suggested answer. So this is not going to be easy. So you may need to always practice your tenses of others. So the heading I write as the helicopter pilot. The helicopter pilot. So I maximize a bit. So David Taylor is a helicopter pilot. He works in an unusual place. In an unusual place. And then this is not hyphen, this is dash, slightly longer than hyphen. So Antarctica. The climate in Antarctica is extremely cold. He has worked at Antarctica for 5 years. David flies. So this is the first name. David flies a helicopter to bring food and medicine to people in need. every day. He sometimes rescues sick people or animals. And then this is introduction. So now we go to main body. So main body we will write in direct speeches. So this is, so I will blank a row here, and then we start a new paragraph. So this is quotation mark or inverted commas. So I use this inverted commas. I choose this job because I love flying and visiting interesting places. So note that this is comma and not full stop. And then inverted commas, says David. And then inverted commas again. I wanted to do something completely different. And then full stop, and then we continue again. Last week we made a hole in the ice to see animals underwater. And then luckily we saw seals and penguins under the ice. So exclamation mark and then followed by inverted comma. So next we go to, we already finished paragraph 2 of the main body of magazine article. So we blank a row again, and then we continue to paragraph 3 for ending. So, and what does he likes most about his job? And what does he like most about his job? Question mark, and then inverted comma. My favorite thing favorite so note that this is the British English rather than American English. So it's American English without U as in color. So this is favorite thing is looking at the landscape. And all the eyes. And then comma, inverted comma. He says. And then full stop. And again, inverted comma. Best moments are getting close to wildlife. I enjoy this job but sometimes it is difficult and lonely. And then full stop, and then we close inverted commas. So basically we already finished this typical magazine article. So remember, you will need to write your heading. And then we go to activity 5. So basically activity 5, you read and check what you wrote in activity 4. So basically this all tick here. And then for activity 6, you can rewrite the magazine article in your notebook. So use the points in activity 5 to improve your work. So this is up to you or up to your teacher. So that's it for today. So this is Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 45. So we are still on Unit 4, ready to write. So that's it for today. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can consume the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link, you can click it. So you can join my diagram robot that I developed.